Good morning students, welcome once again in online classes. This is class 7 home science class. Today I will start chapter number 7, air and noise pollution. Let's start the chapter. As civilization is growing and industries developing, the natural environment is also adversely affecting. जैसे जैसे सिविलाइजेशन बढ़ रहा है, इंडस्ट्रीज़ बढ़ रही हैं, तो इनके बढ़ने के साथ साथ जो हमारा नेचुरल इन्वायरमेंट है उसका बैलेंस बिगड़ता जा रहा है, दैट इज़ एडवर्सली अफेक्टिंग, बुरा प्रभाव पड़ता जा रहा है. एज पॉपुलेशन ग्रोज द फॉरेस्ट आर कट डाउन एंड कन्वर्टेड इनटू अरेबल लैंड. द वुड्स इज यूज्ड फॉर इंडस्ट्रियल पर्पस, माइंस एंड डग्स out and fuel received in burn to run the factories. Mills and factories are set up. The different gases are used for economic development. Means of transport have also increased with a rapid pace. Railways burn coal and produces gases and thus disturbs the composition of air. और इस तरीके से ये हर एक तरीके से ये लोग एयर में पॉल्यूशन फैला रहे हैं. हमारी जो किचन है, कार है, हर जगह से आप देखो कि धुआं निकलता है और दैट इज़ हार्मफुल टू आवर एनवायरनमेंट. नाउ कॉजेज़ ऑफ पॉल्यूशन, क्या क्या कॉजेज़ हैं. नंबर 1, एवर इंक्रीजिंग पॉपुलेशन. नंबर 2, इंक्रीजिंग नंबर ऑफ व्हीकल ऑन द रोड. नंबर 3, इकोलॉजिकल इम्बैलेंस. नंबर 4, एटॉमिक एक्सप्लोजन्स. नंबर 5, indiscreet uses of pesticides. Number 6, uncontrolled urbanization. Number 7, industrial revolution. Number 8, cutting of forest. And number 9, throwing of dirt, chemical and dead bodies in the river. Those are some causes of pollutions. Types of pollution, क्या क्या टाइप्स हो सकते हैं पोल्यूशन के. वाटर पोल्यूशन, नॉइज पोल्यूशन, एयर पोल्यूशन, लैंड पोल्यूशन एंड पोल्यूशन ड्यू टू न्यूक्लियर पावर रिएक्टर्स. तो ये कुछ टाइप्स हैं. सबसे पहले वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट एयर पोल्यूशन. एयर इज़ द मिक्सचर ऑफ गैसेस. इट कंटेन्स ऑक्सीजन, नाइट्रोजन, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड टुगेदर विथ इनर्ट गैसेस एंड वाटर वेपर इन स्मॉल क्वांटिटी. जिसमें कुछ वाटर वेपर्स भी होते हैं और कई सारे गैसेस का मिक्सचर होता है. एनी सिग्निफिकेंट इंक्रीजेज इन द प्रोपोर्शन ऑफ कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड और डिक्रीजेज इन द प्रोपोर्शन ऑफ ऑक्सीजन or the introduction of harmful substances like small, dust etc. in atmospheric air causes air pollution. हमारे एयर में अगर कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड की मात्रा बढ़ जाती है या ऑक्सीजन की मात्रा में कमी आने लगती है या फिर अगर ये दोनों बैलेंस हैं, इसके अलावा अगर एयर में कुछ स्मोक, डस्ट, ये सारी चीज़ें आ जाती हैं तो इससे कहा जाता है दैट इज़ कॉल्ड द पोल्यूशन इन एयर और एयर पोल्यूशन. कॉजेज़ क्या है. सबसे पहला है बर्निंग ऑफ फ्यूल. लार्ज क्वांटिटीज़ ऑफ फ्यूल्स आर बर्नड इन फैक्ट्रीज, थर्मो पावर प्लांट्स एंड वेरियस फॉर्म्स ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट. जैसे कि ऑटोमोबाइल्स हो गए, रेलवे हो गए, एयरक्राफ्ट्स हो गए. और बर्निंग ऑफ फ्यूल्स रिजल्ट्स इन प्रोडक्शन ऑफ लार्ज क्वांटिटीज़ ऑफ कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड, सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड, स्मोक एट्सेट्रा. Automobiles are the main cause of air pollution in our country because lead mixed petrol is used to ride them. Half burnt fuel automobiles forms ozones and other pollutants in the presence of sunlight. Here you can see in the picture, that is air pollution. Second जो reason है, that is industries. Almost all the industries are principal sources of air pollution. Chemical industries, oil refineries, fertilizers, cement, sugar and paper industries use many chemical and therefore discharges many pollutants in the air. Number 3, chemical use in agriculture. Many chemical substances which are sprayed on weeds and insects causes air pollution. Extraction of metals. In various extraction process of metal, dust and smokes are released and particles of metals are also discharged. All these substances pollute the air. Number 5, atomic projects. Nuclear reactors and nuclear power reactors also causes air pollution. Number 6, deforestation. Plants are the primary purifier of air in nature. कहा जाता है ऐसा कि अगर ढेर सारे आप प्लांट्स लगाओ तो एयर ऑटोमेटिक ही प्योरीफाई हो जाती है. बट इफ़ यू कट ट्रीज for fuels and other purposes, the number of purifiers decreases and carbon dioxide concentration increases in the air, that is resulting the air pollution. Various means generating air pollution. There are several objects in our surrounding causes air pollution, such as means of transport like cars, scooters, aeroplanes, tractors, trucks, etc., and generators, chimney, thermal power plants, machines in our industries runs on petrols and diesels and means of cooking food. तो ये सारी चीज़ें भी हैं that are important that causes air pollution. Effects of air pollution on human life. Number 1, dust and soil particles affect respiration, causing several lung diseases. Number 2, sulfur dioxide causes cough, bronchitis and many lung diseases. Carbon dioxide in the air results in oxygen deficiency leading to death. Number 4, burning of oil in automobile engine produces nitrogen oxide, which is harmful for all living beings. Number 5, ozone in the air causes irritation in the eyes. And number 6, presence of ozone also affects the plants adversely, called greenhouse effect. Control of air pollution. Number 1, filters and electrostatics precipitators should be installed. Smoke fumes before release should be passed through it. The suspension in smoke can be removed by this method. Number 2, the establishment of industries inside cities should be discouraged and be permitted only outside the city in industries states. Number 3, catalytic converters should be automobiles to reduce vehicular pollution. Number 4, trees and greenery should be maintained in the towns. Number 5, desulfurization of fuels containing sulfur should be done to avoid air pollution. Noise pollution. Next pollution is noise pollution. Sound which is not liked and unwanted is called noise. When the loudness of sound is irritating or unbearable, we call it noise pollution. और जब sound ऐसा हो कि जो कि बहुत ही ज़्यादा हो, unbearable हो, irritating हो, that is called noise pollution. The unit of measuring sound is decibel, which was introduced by Graham Bell. It is scientifically proved that the noise exceeded 80 to 90 decibel, that becomes noise pollution. Noise pollution is very dangerous for our ears and our peace and for our health. Causes of noise pollution. Number 1, industries and machines. Number 2, automobiles, that is train, bus, aeroplanes. Number 3, facility of recreation, that is television, radio, film. Number 4, social functioning where loudspeaker and music decks are used. Number 5, natural calamities like thundering of clouds, eruption of volcanoes, heavy blowing winds, etc. Number 6, burning of crackers. Number 7, noise of tanks and guns in those areas where shoulders are posted. Effect of noise pollution. Number 1, क्या effect है इनके? Noise pollution leads to gradual deterioration of internal ear and may causes permanent loss of hearing. Number 2, it can cause damage to heart, stomach and affect the secretion of endocrine glands. Number 3, noise may make people neurotics and leads to mental disorders and high blood pressure. Number 4, it causes anxieties, insomnia and other physiological disorders. Number 5, excessive noise enhances our heartbeat, which may even lead to heart attack and heart failure. Number 6, excessive noise also leads to digestion trouble. Control of noise pollution. कैसे हम कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं? Number 1, industries should be established outside the city limits. Number 2, ban should be imposed on frequent use of sound amplifiers. Number 3, blowing of horns vehicle will be restricted. Number 4, use of proper material and quality of construction in matter of soundproof windows and doors in hospitals, libraries and residential houses near busy motor roads should be encouraged. Number 5, ban should be imposed on burning crackers etc. after the time limit during festivals. Number 6, absolute ban should be imposed on burning crackers during marriages. So this was your chapter number 7, air and noise pollution. In next video I will complete its exercise and question answer. Till then, take care. Goodbye.